Wet shoes. We've all been there. Whether it's from rain, snow, sweat, or an unexpected puddle, damp footwear isn't just uncomfortable, it's unhealthy. But what if there was a better way to dry your shoes quickly, safely, and effectively? Traditional methods like stuffing shoes with newspaper or placing them near radiators can take forever and may even damage your favorite footwear. Newspaper leaves shoes damp and musty. Radiators can crack leather and warp materials. And air drying? That could take days, leaving you with shoes that smell terrible and breed bacteria. Introducing the electric shoe dryer, the modern solution to an age-old problem. This innovative device uses advanced heating technology to dry your shoes thoroughly in just 60 minutes or less, protecting both your footwear and your feet. The electric shoe dryer works by gently circulating warm air throughout the entire interior of your shoe. Unlike harsh heat sources, it uses controlled, consistent temperature to evaporate moisture without damaging delicate materials. Simply insert the dryer into your wet shoes, plug it in, set your preferred time and temperature, and let technology do the rest. But it's more than just a dryer. Many models feature UV sterilization technology that eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and fungi while drying, meaning fresher, healthier shoes every time. Adjustable heat settings let you customize the temperature for different materials, from delicate dress shoes to heavy-duty hiking boots. The electric shoe dryer isn't just for sneakers. Use it on boots, leather shoes, children's footwear, gloves, and even ski boots. Athletes can eliminate sweat and odor after every workout. Outdoor enthusiasts can dry hiking boots overnight. Parents can keep kids' shoes fresh and ready for school, even after playing in the rain. Think about the benefits. No more wearing damp shoes that cause blisters and discomfort. No more throwing away expensive footwear ruined by mold and mildew. No more embarrassing odors. The electric shoe dryer extends the life of your shoes while protecting your foot health from the fungi and bacteria that thrive in moist environments. It's energy efficient, using less power than a standard light bulb. It's portable and compact, perfect for home, office, or travel. Built-in safety features like auto shut-off and overheat protection give you peace of mind. And with whisper-quiet operation, you can dry your shoes overnight without any disturbance. Thousands of satisfied customers worldwide have already made the switch. They've discovered that investing in an electric shoe dryer isn't just convenient, it's economical. By preserving your footwear and preventing shoe-related health issues, it pays for itself many times over. Don't let wet shoes ruin your day or damage your health. Step into comfort with an electric shoe dryer. Your feet and your shoes will thank you. Order yours today and never worry about wet footwear again.